Welcome to Biology. Biology. Hi guys, so welcome back to Biology. Today guys, I am bringing you a product review, and plus I got some more other items that I'm going to send out to two people, guys. Yes, two other people for you to do the product review. So guys, I got in touch with Bass Pro Shop. Yes guys, and I am reviewing their sweet potato butter. So guys, let's see what this is going to taste like. This is sweet potato butter. Is by Bass Pro Shop, Uncle Bucks. So I'm going to bring that closer to you to see it. And let's see what this is going to taste like. Let's smell it first. Oh my gosh. That smells good. That smells real good. So guys, what kind of bread I have, if you've never heard of this is called walnut bread. It is so absolutely good. So this is walnut bread, and you can get walnut bread from Lidl's. So let's go on this taste test with this. And okay, it's creamy. And guys, I love me some sweet potatoes. I am a Southern girl, and girlfriend loves some sweet potatoes because if anybody remember the item, it is called apple butter. I grew up on apple butter with me. Yes, guys, I just dropped my knife. And sweet potato butter's on my pants. But anyway, my grandmother used to eat apple butter, and I love apple butter. So when this was given to me, I was like, okay, I love apple butters, and I guys, I love me some pumpkin pie. I would eat pumpkin pie year round. So guys, let's see what this apple butter gonna taste like. Oh gosh. Sweet. Taste of cinnamon. Of course, sweet potato. Nutmeg. Guys, this is banging. This is banging. Oh. This is so good. Now I got my knife. I want some more. Y'all, guys, wait a minute. Let me get me another knife. Shoom! I'm back. Gosh, I had to get me another knife for this. Oh my gosh, y'all. This, look. This is banging, y'all. So guys, this is good, guys. Now I'm about to have an sweet potato apple butter feast. Let me give you some more information about this, because girlfriend's getting busy now. Yo, guys, this is good. So, I'm going to lose it. Now I'm losing the top. Yo, I'm real buttery today. All right, now I got my knife. So guys, you can go to any Bass Pro Shop And this is $6.99. I got mine for $3.99 to review it and to bring it out to you. So guys, trying to get this down. I have 2 other items that was given to me also. And let me close this. Let me get me a little bit more, a little swig of this more. Y'all, this is good. This is so good. And let me move this bread. And remember, this is the walnut. This is not paid through Lidl's though. This is walnut bread and it's at Lidl's. And you can cut it 3 different ways or just keep it as a loaf. Super duper delicious. So guys, what else was given to me was, this is handcrafted Weeper's sauce. So guys, this is a Weeper's barbecue sauce. Sorry, hot sauce. Weepers. There are weepers in this, guys. Weepers. So that is one. Let me turn to make sure you see it. And the other one, guys, is like a shot bottle. This one is the Moonshine Extra Hot sauce. So this one is this one. So guys, you know I don't eat hot stuff. So I am going to give these to 2 YouTubers that I know eat spicy things. 2 of them. Yes, I'm about to hurt my child. These 2 people are just absolutely so funny. I love them to pieces. And I know the one that I'm going to send this one's to. And this is no other than my brother and my sister, Cynt and Mo. So Cynt and Mo, when I told y'all I had a package that I'm going to be sending y'all, this is what I am sending you. It is the Weeper's hot sauce. So the other one just happened to tell me, girl, we don't have a P.O. box. I'm legit. I ain't coming to your house. No. But I want to get this to you also. So the other person is no other than who? My boy Trey and my girl NeeNee. Yes. So Trey and NeeNee, I'm giving y'all the Moonshine Extra Hot Sauce. So guys, these will be out on mail to y'all on Monday. And of course, I know one of them is not going far, and that's the ATL. The other one has a little travel too, and that's the Cynt and Mo. So guys, these are my review pieces that was given to me by the Bass Pro Shop. So guys, this, please do pick it up. This is $6.99. I hate to tell the price of this, and there's not a review on it yet. Well, I'll tell you how much it is. The Weeper's hot sauce, it is $11.99. And the Moonshine, he gave me 2 of them, and there are usually these are the small ones. It's just like the pint little liquor bottle things, and these are $2 a piece for this one. But he gave me 2 of them. That's where one of them have a piece. And he told me the trick to this one. Make sure you shake it. Okay, guys. So Cynt and Mo, Trey and NeeNee, they're on the way to you. And of course, guys, please pick up the apple butter. I'm saying apple butter. And please, guys, go pick up your sweet potato butter. It is absolutely delicious. So, guys, you can't see me. This is a product review, and it was sent to me. So, girlfriend, I have give you my honest opinion. So, I will put a card into Cynt and Mo's and also to Trey and NeeNee for them to do the product review for these items. And guys, I'm getting ready to get out of here. So, guys, please like, subscribe, thumbs up my video, people. And you already know what I always say. I gotta go, but I will be back. And until the next time, guys.